and you have to make a beer from a paper plate. So first take a circle paper plate like this. Then take some fibers. Then take a black nose, means cut it in a circle in a black paper. You have to attach the fibers using glue. So put 2 eyes, then take cotton pads as ears. So our beer is ready. Add this in the wall decoration. You also try it. Let me know how. Bye bye. I love you.